Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iTunes made a local backup. Make sure iTunes is closed. Once ready, open File Explorer and enable hidden items so app data becomes visible. Next, press Win plus R and paste %app data %backslash Apple computer backslash mobile sync backslash backup. This is the common legacy path. If you installed iTunes from the Microsoft Store, instead paste %user profile %backslash Apple backslash mobile sync backslash backup. Do this now, because locating the correct folder is the single critical step that unlocks everything that follows. Once inside the backup folder, you will see subfolders named as long hexadecimal ID, each is one device backup. You should sort by date modified to surface the most recent item. This tells you which folder contains current data. Make sure to check for files such as manifest, DB, and info. Plist, these confirm a valid iTunes backup. If you need details, right-click and open info. Plist with a text editor to see the device name and backup date, which explains why this folder is the one you want. To finish, verify integrity by confirming manifest. DB exists and file sizes look substantial. Then use iTunes Restore or a trusted backup extractor to access data. If you don't see expected files, make sure you checked both %app data % and %user profile % paths, and that you're signed into the same Windows user account that created the backup. If things go wrong, enable hidden items again. Confirm iTunes completed a local backup, not iCloud, and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.